Hi, I'm Kim and I'm with the Auto Builder. I'm here at the SEMA Show with my friend Cameron. We're in the Weston Superwinch booth and we're here to showcase a new product that they're releasing today.
Yes, yeah, so we've actually got our Pro Series rear bumper here, and this is for the 2024 Tesla Cybertruck.
Cameron, what's the advantage of me changing out the OEM to this bumper?
Well, really good features is it increases your ground clearance. So if you're looking to actually, use this thing off-road or anything like that, you do get a better approach angle on that. You can also retain your factory hitch and all of your factory LED lighting in this as well. So it's a way to give it a better look, that's not the OE one that hangs down so much.
Cameron, how easy is this to install?
Actually, very easy. So all you have to do is remove your factory bumper. There's no cutting or no drilling involved, and then you would just go ahead and bolt ours right up.
Great. Where can I find out more information about this? Where can I find my rear bumper for my Tesla truck?
Best place to be to look online at westinautomotive.com.
For more stories like this, visit theautobuilder.com.